Right. This is Emily DuVal. Right. I'm going to moderate myself here. I'm from Florida State University, and I started studying mannequins in my first semester of graduate school because there's such a fascinating system in which to study the evolution of complex social behavior. And so my questions relating to social behavior are focused on both female mate choice and male-male cooperation. And I chose to talk about things that are papers that I'm working on right now rather than published work. So this is stuff that come talk to me if you want to hear more about. One of my key current interests is why females choose the males that they do when they're selecting mates, and especially given that this is a system with no pair bonds, and females could all mate with one best male if he exists in the population. Why do we observe females mating with so many different dominant males? My work is in the lance-tailed manakin, which is one of the species that displays cooperatively with an alpha and a beta male in a pair. And I found that across the population, the things that best predict male success are age, years as an alpha male, and heterozygosity at microsatellite loci. I developed a cheap automated telemetry system to break down how females move among males to make these mate choices to figure out how we get that pattern. And found that females visit males more when they are new alphas, actually, and when they've had more years as an alpha. That there's no relationship between age and experience for who females actually choose to mate with among the males that they looked at. There are age-related declines in male sperm that might be the reason that you get this population-wide effect of age and experience that is different from just plain who females are showing up to visit. On top of that, the relationship with male heterozygosity doesn't have anything to do with who females visit among the ones that they could have chosen. Instead, who they choose among the males that they do visit correlates with heterozygosity. So the punchline there is that the overall pattern of who females are picking is the result of multiple different temporally separated processes that create this population-wide relationship with experience, age, and heterozygosity. On top of that, I'm really interested in why these males are cooperating, and especially why nearly 50% of the males in our study population don't serve as betas before they become alphas. We have a lot of cheaters in the system who aren't cooperative. In breaking down survival probabilities and this age-specific lifetime reproductive success estimate, I've been able to quantify selective pressure across different cooperative routes, and the results suggest that we have disruptive selection on cooperative tendencies. That's to either not cooperate or cooperate for some years. The average level of cooperation is actually a really bad choice. So research for the next 5 years is going to focus on why males pick these two different routes. This means that I have a lot of data that I hope that we'll be able to use in this group, 17 years, 2,000 banded birds. I'll talk to you about that later because I'm out of time. Thanks.